and welcome to this library presentation. At OSU Newark, there are 4 librarians: John Chrissinger, Katie Bloxage, Stacy McKenna, and me, Janelle Verdream. Even though some of us are working from home this semester, we are still here to help you in a variety of ways, and I will go over all of those ways in this presentation. The library is open Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. On Saturdays and Sundays, the library is closed. The library is in Warner Center, which is also home to the Office of Student Life, the Writer Studio, the Tutoring Center, Disability Services, the Table of Contents Cafe, and the Coffee Bar. Speaking of the Writer Studio, what's the difference between the Writer Studio and the library? The Writer Studio is designed to help you write and format your papers. So if you have questions about grammar or citations, you can go there to get some help. The library is designed for research, so you can come to us with questions about picking a topic for a research paper or finding the best resources. Because we are the library, we obviously have books. We actually have access to 48 million items because of OhioLink. Many of the libraries in Ohio talk to each other, and we can borrow from each other's collections. So if there's a book that you really need for a project, but it's only at Youngstown State University, we can actually have it sent right to the OSU Newark Library for you to pick up. We loan out more resources than just books. You can borrow a laptop for up to 4 hours, a calculator, either graphing or non-graphing, for up to a week, and you can rent a study room for up to 4 hours. To rent any of these, all you need is your Buck ID. You can also visit the library to print. Black and white prints are 5 cents per page, and color prints are 15 cents per page. In order to pay for printing, you must have money on your Buck ID. We cannot accept cash at the library. To add funds to your Buck ID, visit buckid.osu.edu. The library is meant to be a space that is conducive to studying. Many people have a hard time studying when there are distractions and noise, and they prefer a quiet place. So when you're visiting the library, please keep noise to a minimum. You're allowed to talk, but try to keep it at a low volume. Please follow all social distancing procedures and be mindful of leaving space between you and others. Additionally, please be conscious and respectful of those studying around you. You may be visiting the library to talk with your friends, but other people around you may be trying to study, so just be aware of your surroundings. So what sort of questions could you ask a librarian? We honestly get all types of questions. We're a great starting place to go if you don't know where else to go. We can direct you to different areas on campus or tell you who you need to get in contact with. But these are the things that we specialize in. We specialize in finding sources in databases or on the internet. You might have a very specific source that you can't locate, or maybe you just have no idea what you need. We can help you either way. We also specialize in evaluating sources for accuracy and relevance to your topic. And finally, we specialize in ordering materials from other campuses or institutions. Like I said, if you need a book from another university, we can definitely have it sent here for you. All we need is your student ID. If you have a quick library question, you can actually text us at 740-410-0003. You can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram at OSUNCOTC Library. The library homepage is newark.osu.edu/library. It's a great idea to save this page as a favorite on your iPad. The first arrow at the top is pointing to a link where you can schedule a 30-minute video chat with a librarian. This is best for more extensive research questions, or maybe if you just don't know how to get started with a research project. In the middle, you can search for books and ebooks and other materials. At the bottom left, you can chat with us in real time from your computer or your iPad. At the right-hand side, there's a link to our databases, and that's where you'll find academic journal articles. Our chat services are available Monday through Thursday, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., and on Fridays from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Remember, you can chat with us, we can do a video conference, you can text us, email us, or call us. How is college research different than high school research? In high school, you would usually already have an opinion and then just find sources that back you up. In college, we want you to withhold an opinion until various sources have been referenced. We expect that you'll find sources that challenge your preconceived ideas. Additionally, in college, you now have the freedom to choose research topics that you're passionate about. So make sure that when you do have a choice of your research topic, you pick something that you're actually interested in, and it'll make your job a lot easier. Thank you for watching our library presentation. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. You now have a library assignment in Carmen that goes over the information from this video. It's 10 questions, and we expect that it should take you about 10 to 15 minutes.